Hey guys, it's Amy. Alright, so I'm finally getting around to doing my oil change and I am super overdue, so you guys are gonna see some really dark oil. So sorry, but I went on that road trip to Vegas, and when I came back I haven't had the chance to do the oil change, so now is my time to finally do that. So the last time I did the oil change vlog, a lot of you guys had messaged me asking if I could pretty much say what I was doing while I was doing the oil change, so I thought that was a really good idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and remake this vlog again, and hopefully you guys like it. And one more thing, today is Lazy Sunday, so I will be in my pajamas doing my oil change, so hopefully you guys don't mind. Alright, so now that I have the car on jacks and the stands, I'm going to go ahead and uncap the oil. Alright, so I went ahead and took out that screw, and the filter is actually behind it right there. So I just need to be able to get to that. So next I'm going to go ahead and take the 16mm and undo this drain bolt so that it drains all the oil from the car. So now that the oil is dripping, we're going to go ahead and put the drain bolt back in and take off the oil filter. So I've officially removed the oil filter, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down a little bit, make sure that there's no oil on the outside, and I'm going to place in the new filter. Alright, so I used some of the old oil to lube up the filter a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and place it back in there. So the new oil filter is back on, and we're going to go ahead and fill up the oil from the top. more time to make sure that nothing is leaking any oil. So the drain bolt looks fine, and so does the oil filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the screws back so that I can put the car back down.